Hey there, I hope you're doing absolutely well. If you're somebody who's watching me for the first time, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Meghna. I work as an executive performance and happiness coach. I work with top management professionals to help them deal with any issues that cause hindrance in their growth or something that sacrifices their peace. These challenges come in form of overthinking, brain fog, work pressure, stress management, sleep issues, relationship issues, environment, work environment, environment at home, relationship with their spouse, with their co-workers, or basically anything that is keeping them from moving forward in life or performing at their best self. So let's start with today's video. If you're constantly second guessing, procrastinating, or feeling mentally drained after work, it's probably not because you're making too many decisions in a day. It is because your mental energy is leaking throughout the day. As a coach, I work with so many high performers and in fact people in the decision-making roles like the entrepreneurs, vice presidents, senior vice presidents, consultants, and so on. But one thing that they commonly tell me is that I know I'm smart. I've worked out the hardest things in my life. But of lately, even the smallest decisions have started to drain my energy. Is that relatable? And let me tell you, this is not productivity issue. This is decision fatigue. And the deeper truth is that it does not come from making too many decisions. It comes from spending too much of time in what I call as leaking zones, like overthinking, people pleasing, constantly context switching, avoiding hard conversations. These quietly drain your energy even before you do the real work. Now think of your mental energy as a whiteboard. Every task, every worry, every decision scribbles something on it. And by midday, all of us are trying to think clearly on a board that's already full. So here's what I teach my clients in the Brain Unwire Rewire method, which is don't just manage your time, manage your cognitive capacity. And here's a quick tool you can try to. Every morning, list 3 energy drainers and then eliminate, delegate, or schedule them for early in the day. Because if you don't protect your decision energy, you'll keep making safe choices, stuck in loops, reacting instead of leading. I really want you to give this a try. And if you are interested in learning more about such practical rewiring tips, then subscribe to my newsletter on LinkedIn. It is called as a CEO's Mindset, where every week I share challenges that people in the top management face and also the solutions to rewire those patterns so that you can come out of that. Also, the tools that I share definitely help leaders reclaim their energy and focus. So I would really recommend you and would love for you to join that newsletter because it's absolutely free. Secondly, it has huge amount of value. And if you're somebody who's been making too many decisions alone in silence and you're ready to shift that inner wiring, book a one-to-one clarity call with me using the link given down in the description box so that we can decode what's draining you and how you can claim your energy back. You're not lazy. You are running on a full brain with empty battery and you definitely deserve a better system to optimize it.